Hi everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm doing my second painting of the night. That's why I got a mess happening right here because I just finished doing one. I did it with an open split cup, which is this guy right here. Turned out wonderful. It's over in the corner drying right now. And I wanted to try another little tool that Greg made me. This one is going to be the Leaky Cup. It's got holes on each corner. So I'm going to give my whirl here at the Leaky Cup. I'm going to put a little bit of white down. I've got the white acrylic down here right now and I just torched it, got the bubbles out. Okay, I see a couple more I missed. Never get them all. Okay, I'm going to try and do a little bit of a puddle in the center first, I think. I'm not sure. I'm just winging it here, but I'm going to go roughly in the center with a little bit more white. Maybe a tiny bit more. There we go. Now this white is 50% acrylic, 50% Floetrol. No water or anything in it. I'm going to put the Leaky Cup right down here. And let's just start pouring some color and see how it turns out. Now Greg put a little, like a half ball in the center here, so when I pour the paint in, it's just going to pour down and not get all stuck in the corners and everything. That's the plan anyhow. First color down is going to be my blue-black, which is bright blue and black mixed together. Here we go. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course, everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. All the comments, all the thumbs up, just awesome. Okay, I'm going to do bright blue next. When I get home from work and I find those comments to read, it really does make my day. Okay, then we're going to put down the teal. Now the teal is golden acrylics. This is 40% acrylic mixed with 60% Floetrol and a tiny bit of water to get the consistency that I wanted. And then I'm going to put silver down. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the same. I'm going to do the blue-black. Then the bright blue. Excuse me, I feel like I have a little bit of a frog in my throat here. Then some teal. And finish it off with some silver. Okay, I'll just give that a couple of seconds to pour out. I'm going to tilt it a little bit. This way, try and get it flowing a little more on this side. It's leaking out nicely. Love all the cells that are already happening. Let's give it a quick little torch while we're waiting for this cup to leak. Almost there. This is the perfect time to hit that notification bell right beside that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload another video. And it's free to do. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. I'm not going to try and sell you anything. So please hit that subscribe button. Okay, I'm going to lift this up now. Oh, it's really suctioned down there. There we go. Don't want to waste these pretty colors. Boy, I don't want to wreck the inside of that. Look how pretty it is. Okay, I'll put that aside. Now I think I'm going to wreck this before I start doing anything with it. I'm just going to grab my end of my paintbrush here. And I think I'm going to just do a swirl through. On each one of these. Okay, that should be good enough. Now let's give it a little tilt. Now underneath my canvas are these little risers. Greg made them on the 3D printer. Very cool. I don't have to put tacks in my canvas anymore. I can just sit them on there. And I can sit them over to the side to dry. I really like them. Okay, let's give this a little slow and steady tilt. And if all you regulars are watching right now, you know I don't do slow and steady very easily, but I'm going to try. I definitely love these colors together. It's just awesome. Okay, going over the edge. There's one corner. Sorry if you're seeing the back of the canvas, I apologize. There we go. Now this corner over here. I don't want to lose too much of my design here. There we go. And this final corner down here. It's almost there. Perfect. Okay, I'm just going to go back to the center. And give it a little torch. Okay. Let me just grab my butane torch here and see how we're doing. Now, none of this had silicone in it. All of this cell action is from the Floetrol. Let's give it a second and see what it's going to do. See if any more cells pop up. Here's where I like to play a little bit. Where's my stylus? Here it is. Sometimes I just like to do little designs in the cells because I did stretch them out as I tilted my canvas, so it just gives it a little more character. To me, it just makes you look at the painting a little closer as you see all these little, almost like flower buds or like a story is happening in the art piece. There's no real rhyme or reason to it. It's just what I like to do. I'll definitely show this when it's dry because that's when you get the full effect. Once it's dry. Definitely need some blue action happening through this white, I think. There we go. Oh, this section right here is going to be really pretty when that dries. Whole line of cells that are just wanting to join. You probably can't see as well as I can what's happening here, but trust me, it'll be beautiful. Okay, I'm just about ready to call this a done masterpiece. That corner's good. That corner's got a little life to it. This one does. Pretty good. I'm happy with that. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to mess with it anymore. It looks awesome. Should I give it a quick little tilt to the camera? Why not? There we go. Beautiful masterpiece done in a matter of what? 10 minutes? There we go. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Leaky Cup, definitely a success. Love it. Please come back and watch another video. And don't forget, hit the notification bell so you can watch future uploads. Thanks again, everyone.